Good morning. We have an apple. This apple will be a celebration apple if we find our drone. So it's a lovely sunny day today, which is nice. Makes such a difference. You can see where we're actually staying because it was so dark when we arrived. But yeah, it looks like a really pretty place. I'll show you. So we left our place in the country and made our way towards Cap de Fermenta. One thing I've noticed about Majorca is all the roundabouts are uniquely decorated with different sculptures. It's so nice that they've done that. Anyway, after leaving the town and their roundabouts behind, we carried on our journey heading along the Serra de Tramontana mountain range. So we're en route to try and find the drone, driving through this amazing mountain range again, but I'm very doubtful we'll find it, but you know what, if we do, that would be fantastic. This area is so cool to drive along. It's lush, it's green, it's rocky, and it's surrounded by ocean. So you really get an amazing experience driving through here. And the roads are really well made as well, so you don't feel like you're going along sort of gravel roads or anything. They're proper roads. Tick's having a bit of a nervous breakdown. Tick keeps trying to slam the brakes down along this area, don't you?
Yeah, I'm a little bit shook because I can see the edge of the road as well, which kind of nerves me slightly while we're going along. It's fun.
Just such a kind of a windy road, but with so many stunning viewpoints all along it. It's amazing. I love it. And you get this areas like this where it's kind of almost looks like kind of woodlandy areas, you know. And look, you even got little goats along the way. There's loads of them here. My goodness. There they are. I don't know if you can see them, but look at them all. We arrived at this beautiful location and went in search of our drone on foot. And a last final effort, we are going to try and make our way down to Calafagueres, which is a beach that is nearby where the drone crashed. If anything, we'll be able to see a lovely beach and rule out once and for all that we can't get our drone, because we have to try. It's very slippery, and this is on the path. I'm not hopeful, people. It's because there was a lot of rain last night. That's why. So all the sand has just turned to slushy clay. Kind of has got that kind of fresh sea sort of smell, but sort of a damp smell as well. Not quite like mold, but you know what I mean? That kind of damp smell. So this is a bit of an adventure, guys, so I wish us luck. Oh my god. So there's the beach, and along those rocks and around the corners where the drone is, so it's absolutely not possible. We would die trying to get to that, and it's not worth it. So this was my drone's last flight. Such a great drone, so sad to lose it, but wow, such dramatic scenery. Guys, we had to give up. It's too dangerous to get down there. We can't even figure out a way down there really, but we did get the drone to dry land at least. So it's out there somewhere on the rocks. Never know, someone might find him. But yeah, we're gonna have a commiseration apple.
A commiseration apple, yes.
Yeah, so shame about the drone. It's so frustrating to know it's down there and we just can't get to it. Anyway, the weather brightened up and we decided to visit the town of Port Valencia. So Port Valencia looks so pretty and picturesque from the top of the mountain. We thought we'd come down here and maybe grab some food. Beautiful scenery. It's surrounded by mountains and there's a lovely little port with lots of yachts and stuff. How am I going to eat this? You drink it. That is amazing. It's an ice cold frappy. It tastes so lovely. It's like caramel flavours coming through. What's this?
It's delicious, even if I am coated in the cream.
See, I'm not the only one that gets completely covered in stuff when I'm eating. Look at that now. Here we are. Here we are. We are on Playa de Fomenta. It's a lovely beach with views of the mountains all around it. Though this was a lovely beach, it was a little too remote this time of year, so we continued on our journey and decided to stop off at Cala Anguilla, a beach on the east side of the island about 3 kilometers from Porto Cristo. We were looking for a little restaurant, somewhere to eat, but that's one thing we're finding a problem here is all of the places on Google Maps that say they're open are all not updated, so they're all closed. So it's really difficult to try and figure out anywhere that's open here, which is a big downside to coming off season like this. We found somewhere that's open. And it even has a view. This is a gorgeous place by the water. Can't beat a view like that as the sun goes down. So nice. Nice and fresh.
It looks delicious.
That is a tomato jam. Mozzarella and tomato. My first time having tomato jam. And I can tell you right now, it's delicious. It tastes just like jam. And it works so well with the mozzarella and tomato. I just left the restaurant because I had to have a look at the sun going down from here because it looks pretty magical. It's the golden hour. This is what it's about, guys. Finding these little moments, these little places that you didn't know existed and just enjoying them. I'm just going down these little stairs I found. It takes you to this little cove here. That is magical. I might just see if I can slip through. I don't know if it's worth my shoes actually, because it looks, woo! No. Even the steps are getting covered with water. But I can go around this corner. Ooh, still splashing me. Look at all the rocks. Look at that sky. It just looks magical, doesn't it? What a magical looking sky as well. So Tig's going to wonder where on earth I've gone to. But it just looks amazing. Sun setting on a beautiful day. It's our last day at this part of the country, and then we're heading down to Palma and spending our last day and night in Palma. So, what a place. There he is. Going up here now.
See the view from where I sit.
Yeah.
I ordered a chicken curry. I might have ended up with a fish curry, but either way it looks delicious, so I'm game.
Well, that's definitely not chicken. That's why you should learn the language.
Yes, I'm a little bit scared because I've never had a fish curry before. It's nice, yeah. Very different to what I would expect. But then again, I'm in a different place, so what do I know? When in Rome, you just engage, don't you?
So after Tig got to grips with a sea dish and I wolfed down my vegetarian spaghetti, we headed back to our hotel. So back at the hotel, it's so nice and ambient. So we're gonna go and chill out. We're really tired actually, absolutely whacked. So we're gonna chill out upstairs. And tomorrow's our last day. So we will see you guys tomorrow. But until then, see you on our last day, guys. Take care. See you on the flip side.